this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your August love and general forecast for air signs Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yes, friends, if you know an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or if you are an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, this reading is for you, friends. And this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is it's for August, but you can watch it anytime. Many people watch it again to confirm at the end or the mid of the month and come back to reconfirm it, friends. So you can watch it anytime to confirm or understand things from the past also. So you can watch it anytime. And friends, do join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Please subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, friends. Subscribe, like, and share. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Many angel blessings. Let's see the theme for and join our Hindi channel, our new channel, Magic Vents Tarot Hindi. The Hindi versions of August readings are there. I will post a link in the comment section, so go to the comment section to view your Hindi readings. If you want in Hindi, if you want in English, it's here. So let's see the theme of the month for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I will be pulling individual cards also, so don't worry, it's at the end of this reading. Let's see, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, theme of the month of August for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, angels. Wow, the Knight of Swords, you are in your power. The Temperance, that's beautiful. Beautiful energies. Theme of the month of August for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Ace of Swords, new beginnings, breakthroughs. I saw the Fool. Oh my God, a brand new start is coming. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, this is a destined new start. Things are going to get balanced in your life. I feel Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, life has been really tough for you in the past. I see you fighting, or being like this warrior. Oh my God, you are being this strong, independent, bold, fearless in front of challenges. But August brings you relief. It brings you a sigh of a fresh breath of air. It brings you balance, it brings you destiny, it brings you support, it brings you breakthroughs, it brings you contracts, jobs, messages, news. It also brings you a new start, a powerful new start, friends. This is about a destined new start. This is beautiful, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel some of you are waiting for news from overseas, for education, from different cities, for work. You are going to get it. You are waiting for a degree to come to you, a contract, a business deal, or a new job. Friends, it is going to happen. And trust me, it is going to happen because you had been so strong. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, you had been so strong. And this is I also feel like a very balanced, this month will be very balanced and supporting to you. Like, this month things will be balanced. How do I say? Relief. You will find relief. You'll find relief in things which were bothering you, troubles, all those things. You'll find relief. What else? I also feel like in relationships there will be forgiveness, there will be new starts, you will be changing locations, changing a house, or some of you could be traveling, or someone could be traveling towards you from a place which is near water, USA, Canada, Dubai. I don't know which place is near water. I don't know. Italy probably. Someone is coming from a place near water, or some news or messages coming from there to you. Some relationship could be coming. It's a brand. new start. August is a brand new start, and you can like, yay, finally you can relax and rejuvenate. I know Aquarius, Libra, Geminis, you had been going through a lot. Let's see your love life, because I know you people want to know about your love life. Even though you, some of you are like, it's, we don't have a love life, we are singles, but as a Pringle. But friends, you can still watch it, and who knows, maybe tomorrow, maybe today, you'll find someone. Love is never far, isn't it? I know. Let's see your love life. Ooh, Two of Swords, the Empress, the Four of Swords, the Six of Pentacles. Holy moly, what's going on, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Someone is making you wait in August. This is not done. This is not fair. You making you wait? Oh my God. Who is this? Or maybe, let's see, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, their love life in August. Oh my God, who is making you wait? Good Lord. I think someone was making you wait in the past. Yes, Ace of Cups. No more waiting. No more waiting, friends. This is superb. I hope you can see the cards. No, sorry, I was not. I didn't realize you couldn't see the cards. Oh my God, you have a new love, a new start. No more waiting. No more waiting. I see you guys are very excited about August. Look at my energy. It's like totally changed. Yay, nice. Love life for August, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Any who's coming towards Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Ooh, the Queen of Swords. You could be attracting. Ooh, the Devil. Hoo, hot, hot, hot. Feeling hot, hot, hot. There's that song. Feeling hot, hot, hot. I think you guys are listening to a lot of music, and I have to say, you all have some excellent taste in music, because I can channel them, so it must be your music, or the universe is listening to some excellent music right now. Maybe that's the reason. Oh, Judgment. Holy moly. All right, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, what's going to happen in August in your love life? Who, friends, someone was in double minds about you, someone didn't choose you in the past, someone got you confused, or you were confused about someone in the past, or you didn't choose someone. I think someone, that person who didn't choose you, is going to realize who you are, what you are worth. Someone is going to put you on a pedestal. Someone is going to realize you are the emperor or the empress of their life. Yes. And this is a very destined and protected connection, because you see, you are protected by the angel right above this angel of temperance. This is very special relationship. If you were single from a long time, I see someone new coming into your life. For others, I feel there is someone who was not sure about you, who was keeping you waiting. They were taking too long to come towards you, or they hurted you in the past. They didn't choose you in the past. This person was not open towards your love, your affection. But good Lord, come August, and this person is head over heels in love with you. This person wants to come back, friends. They want a new start. If you are really single, I see a new person coming towards you. Although till the mid of August, it may be a dry land for you in romance, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. But come mid-August and look, Ace of Cups, proposals, date nights. I see you tingling with excitement. Yes, my friends, yes. Something is coming your way, and it's destined, because you had been waiting since a long time. Whether you are single or married or in a relationship, you are going to get that justice, that fairness, that love you deserve, that respect you deserve. It is coming in August, and it is destined. I feel you could be dealing with someone who is an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini themselves, or you could be dealing with someone Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could be attracting a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Super sexy, hot, passionate romance in your life. This person is totally into you and they will be super addicted to you. And I feel this person has done you wrong or kept you waiting in the past. So this person will come back and justice will happen in this situation. For some of you, I feel Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, that some of you could be in married or you could be in a relationship or marriage with this person and it's not working right now. You are trying, you are trying. So some of you may get justice in that marriage, or some of you may decide, if you are dealing with legal issues or some divorce issues in your marriage, or some your partner is dealing with other divorce issues, like they are with someone, it's messy, you are with them, but they are not free to be with you. Good Lord, friends, they are going to, if you are facing, you or someone else is facing legal issues, expect a victory, friends. Yes, this is destined. New love, new passion, and a reunion is coming for you. Someone who kept you waiting, justice will be done, friends. Justice will be done. I see karmic balance. I see also new people and old people, like the past people, reunions, new love, both coming your way. Let me just clarify. Angels, can you clarify the Ace of Cups for our beautiful Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Clarify the Ace of Cups. Judgment. Someone is going to share. Knowledge is coming. Messages are coming. Statements are coming. Someone may officially start dating you. Some of you could get officially engaged. Some of you could get married and move to some other city. Yeah, six. Oh my God, this is the clarification. Good lords, you are moving ahead. Some of you are moving ahead into a soulmate relationship, whether you are single or with someone else. For others, someone who left you will be coming towards you with an offer of love. I told you, friends, this is your win, 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 win month. You are winning, and I have to clap for you, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You had fought like a warrior. Look at this past energy. You had fought like a warrior. You deserve it, friends. You deserve this new love, this happiness, this abundance, this clarity of mind, this breakthrough, loving, nurturing partnership, this new start. I feel this is at every level in your life. This is not just about love, because this is the theme of your month. So breakthroughs in work, in career are coming. A new job or a contract is coming your way. You have to take a leap of faith. It may be a risky thing you do, or it may be something you have never done before, but once you take the risk, it will pay off. It will pay off, friends. Some of you could start your own job, your businesses. Some of you could start learning. You could go into higher education. Some of you could be graduating. All those things are working, friends. All those things are working for you. New start, powerful new start. Don't give up. You'll be very creative also in the month of August. So let's see, friends. Let's see. All right, my God. Lots of cards falling. This is the very exciting. This card just jumped out. I have to take it. Four of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles, open up. Someone wants to tell you how much they feel or how much they love you. I also feel like communications, messages you were waiting for, they are coming. Something, I think this is not just about communications. This is about something was not being revealed to you. Some answers were missing. Now they are being shown. If you felt you don't know where your life path is taking you, what's next on for you, you will know by the end of August. Things will be more clear. So let's take some personal messages for Aquarius. I will take by one, Aquarius, then Libra, then Gemini. So how the month of August will be for Aquarius. How the month, ooh. Wow, now that's how quick, Aquarius, you are. Look at this, sacral chakra number 2. Beauty, love, happiness, what satisfies you, creativity, people who satisfy you, relationships that nurture you, protect you, all those things are coming. What makes you happy? That's the important thing in August. Awaiting results. You are waiting for your results, and in August they are coming. You are on the right path. Your success is growing, Aquarius, whether in love, in work, in money, your success is growing. If you are waiting for money, it's coming. Just keep acting on your passion. Follow your passions, follow your heart, keep acting on it. You will be successful. You are already successful. You will be more successful. Something you are waiting for is coming. It's coming, friends. Shine. You are going to shine, friends. Aquarius, a lot of people are coming your way. A lot of opportunities are coming your way. I see that people will be talking about you. You are in the center of attraction, whether you know it or not, but people will be talking about you. They'll be listening to you. Your power, your success will be growing. I see money coming your way, and very, very stimulating connections, like passionate connections, connections which are destined, and a lot of you could be attracting a lot of creative people like artists, musicians, dancers. You could be learning those things yourself, Aquarius. Libra, let's move on to Libra. I feel number 19, 2, 10, 11 are important for Aquarius. The color is yellow. You are going to break free, Aquarius. You are going to break free. You're bursting open, and like, yes, claiming life. Yes, I will live. I will do this. I will succeed. I claim my power, and it's going to be yours. That's a powerful reading, Aquarius. Libras, oh my god, all the cards went down. I'll have to pick them up. Choose your battles. Give me a second. So, I just, all the cards flew down, so I have collected them back. So your first card was choose your battles. So for Libras, how August will be for Libras, let's see. For Libras, August. Wow, rest and reconsideration and teach. Wow, friends, I feel there will be a lot of things on your mind, Libras. A lot of people. This is the seven of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, sorry. So there will be a lot of people coming towards you, maybe from your past, new lovers. Everyone wants a bit of your attention, Libras. So you might have to choose which one to fight, which one to give or your time or not. You will have to prioritize a lot in August. I also feel you will face some challenges in the month of August because you have this Knight of Swords. So maybe that's your energy, or some challenges, some arguments, some conflict. But remember that choose your battles. You are powerful than your fears. Libra, you are more powerful than your fear or something or someone that's telling you can't do it. You are more powerful. I also feel rest and reconsider. The Nine of Wands. I feel, friends, you are working very, very hard in your relationships, in your career, in your education in August, Libras. So you should take some time off for yourself, or you should rest a little, or you may feel like you need some holiday or some break, because you're fighting. I told you now. I told you, Aquarius, Libra, Geminis are the warriors. They are fighting, and they are like, oh my God, we are tired a little. I think just take some time. Also teach. You will be teaching a lot of people a lot of things this month. You will also be learning new things. Some of you could be becoming graduating, passing in out from your colleges. You could be becoming super seniors or seniors in your colleges. You could be joining a new college or new passing school, high school, joining college. You could also be becoming a master's. You could be joining master's programs, doctorate programs. I also see you becoming exceptionally good at whatever you do, teaching. Some of you could start teaching kids around you, or maybe someone can come and help you out. So both options are there, friends. Something is teaching you something. There is a lesson. I will take a clarifier for Libras. Angels for Libras, how the month of August will be. I think you are in your power of leadership. You need to choose, but a lot of people are there. A lot of things are going on for you. It's a busy month for you, Libra. So you have to choose which one to support, which one not. Believe and succeed. Yes, see. You can, you will. Success will be yours. Six of Wands, success coming your way. I see a lot of career success, money success. I see a lot of educational success for Libras. I also see getting a ceremony or getting a degree or clearing an exam and helping other people from your lessons. Excellent, excellent, Libras. Well done for that. Let's see, Geminis, how the month will be for Geminis, how August will be for Geminis. Challenging times. Ooh, sorry, friends. Helpless and hopeless. Ooh, why Geminis? So this is the five of wands and. This is the Eight of Swords. I think there will be some conflict. Some people will try to fight you or argue with you. Or Gemini, you may feel like you have to fight for what you believe in. Or you may feel like times are tough, there is less hope. You don't know how to change a situation in your life. You feel like you have given hope on it. Maybe it's your love life. You had been single from a long time, or you are going through a divorce or some issues in your marriage or love life, and you feel hopeless, like things won't resolve. But that's not how it is. There is this Ace of Swords, there is the Fool. Angels, how the month of August will be for Geminis? I think you will face some decisions, Gemini, because this is a crossroad also. You will face some decisions, choices in love, in work, in career, in education. Geminis. Nine of Swords, Gemini is how the month of August will be. So from Aquarius, Libra, you will have like fine months. Gemini, you will have a little tough month. Change your focus. Love abounds. Ace of Cups. Yeah, it's about love. It's about love. Also, it is about career. You feeling disappointed with life. You feeling like things are challenging. Also, a lot of arguments. Your head is saying one thing, Gemini. Your mind is saying another. Your heart is saying